Hey everybody, Terry D-Lab. Just got a box shipped in today. Pretty rough condition. I'll give you guys a look over this thing. I'm telling you what, I don't know how this box even made it. Sides are blown out of it. Let's inspect it and open it up and see if what's inside survived. So this box was left on my front porch. I can see why. The driver probably spotted this and was like, I'm not going to be responsible for this. Check it out, the side's blown right out. Tape didn't stick. Yeah, it's large, all right. A large mess. Go over here, got another blowout. Luckily, whatever's inside didn't get out. But I'll tell you what, it was probably close. Kaboom! Let's open it. Well, very little cutting required to get this box open, because the tape pretty much didn't stick to this box. Now that piece of tape was actually around the blowout hole, so I'm wondering if this box was in this condition before it left California. What do we got inside? Little combo guitar amp. So this is a K guitar amp. They'll send it to me because, as you guys know, these are a hot chassis amp. So they are pretty much a hazard to operate. The cabinet is cracked on the seam, but that may have been already like that before it was shipped. The other side's also loose. It's old. I don't see any direct shipping damage. Pretty amazing. And there's a grill cloth. Looks pretty good. Here's the back side of the amp. You see the diagram in there. These are wrapped up. Appears to be the original speaker. And there's the chassis. No transformer. All in all, it looks okay. Contact the customer and ask him about those cracks on the top of the cabinet. Well, obviously, I won't be shipping the amp back in this box. But you know what? It came from Walmart. When I was a kid growing up, we had a place called Kmart. And you know what our nickname was for it? Came Apart. Now we got somebody else taking over the reins.